Hello and welcome to this short flow. We are going to be in a reclined position. So I invite you to come down to a semi-supine with the knees bent, soles of the feet in contact with the earth. So just beginning to let yourself arrive. We're going to be coming into a butterfly pose. So just ensuring that the shoulder blades in the back of the head are comfortable. And then you're going to begin to let the soles of the feet come together, knees going in opposite directions. Hands can be on the belly, or you can take a hand, or if you've got blocks, putting that underneath the thigh. Your choice. We're going to be here for 3 to 5 rounds of breath. Slowly bringing the palms underneath the thighs, letting the soles of the feet come back together. Gently bring the knees in towards the chest, keeping the back of the head in contact with the earth. I stay here, circling or rocking side to side. And then we're going to come to stillness. Gently releasing the soles of the feet back to the earth. We're going to be coming into a figure of 4. So that imitation of taking the right ankle or the pinky edge of that right foot, taking it to the left thigh. Maybe bring that left heel closer to the sit bone, setting that right knee towards the front of your space. We're here for 3 rounds of breath. Now your choice, you can stay in this standard figure of 4. We're going to begin to extend that left leg. So you might simply begin walking the foot. You might lift the left toes or gently sliding that left foot away. Right ankle's coming onto the left thigh. Maybe the shin just below the knee, or ankle over ankle if that's more comfortable. Just see what works best for you. We're just opening up the hips, letting that right knee go heavy. Maybe flexing that left foot if the straight legs, the toes are going up towards the ceiling or the shin. Okay, so listening very carefully. We're going to begin to come into a gentle twist, so setting the sole of that right foot to the earth. So again, you might be down near your calf or down near your ankle. And then we'll begin to invite that right knee in towards the chest. And just taking small little circles. And then we'll gently open that knee to the right. Left hand coming to the hip or the earth. And then back to center. Exhaling, full body stretch. And then we'll slowly begin coming back to that semi-supine position. And then that figure of 4, left ankle or pinky edge of the foot to the right thigh, maybe walking that right heel close to the sit bone. We're here for 3 rounds of breath. Staying here in this traditional figure of four, you can begin lifting those right toes. You might slide that right heel away, taking your choice of ankle to thigh, shin, or ankle. Again, flexing the right toes up towards the ceiling or the shin. We're going to take a gentle twist, taking the sole of that left foot down to the earth. And then exhaling, bring that left knee in towards the chest. And small little circles. And then opening up that left knee, right hand coming to the hip or the earth. And then back to center, inviting both knees in towards the chest. Taking the knees apart, taking small little circles. Make sure you go in both directions. We're going to come into our final pose of bridge, so releasing the soles of the feet to the earth. Maybe walking the heels closer to the sit bones, palms by your side. You can take a bind if it is in your practice once you're in your bridge. When you're ready, pressing the weight to the feet, lifting the front of the body. Knees are going forward rather than opposite sides of the room. Chin slightly tucked in. Again, palms can stay here. You might begin interlacing the hands underneath the body, coming onto the upper arms. When we're ready, releasing the palms if we took a bind. Very slowly releasing the spine all the way down to the earth. And then gently inviting the knees in towards the chest. And then we're going to slowly release the feet down to the earth. Coming on to a side that we favor. And then with a helping hand coming up to our seated position. Taking the hands to the heart space. And bowing the head. Thank you for sharing this brief practice. And may I see you again soon. Bye.